An amazing beef dish doesn't have to be expensive or complicated to make. I don't care what your cooking level is, you can make this. Trust me, let's go shopping. It is freaking impossible nowadays to find a cheap cut of beef because no one buys it, because people don't freaking know how to cook it anymore. We'll fix that. Any butcher that grounds their own beef, just ask him to give you those cuts. They do. So you end up paying ground beef prices for something fun. Go big. Tennis ball size is good. Don't give me that dog food size. Okay, easy chop. Doesn't matter how. We will blend it anyways. I peel my ginger. You don't have to if you don't want to. Chop chop, hurry up. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ta-da! Prep work is done. Let's start cooking. Olive oil. Everything in but the garlic. Medium high heat. Salt and pepper. Give it 5 minutes. Then add the garlic. Add more olive oil. Give it 5 more minutes. Add the rosemary. Into the pot we go. Cover with water. On high. Olive oil, medium high heat. Bunch of salt. Fat side first. Really press it in there. Into the blender we go. Never pour hot liquid into a hot pot. Add cold water to bring down the temperature so it won't splash. Add the beef. Add more water in case you don't have enough sauce. Make sure all the meat is cooked. Medium-low heat for 4 to 6 hours. Looky, looky. Serve it with rice or potatoes or pasta or just some bread. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Manzo.